Question number 1. The corpus luteum of pregnancy is maintained primarily by. The correct option is C. HCG hormones. Question number 2. Most common cause of primary amenorrhea with normal breast development is. The correct option is A. Mullerian agencies. Question number 3. What is the peak number of oogonia present in a female? The correct option is D. 5 months of intrauterine. Question number 4. Which instrument is used to take a cervical smear? Correct option is B. Arias capitula. Question number 5. Which is the most common cause of infertility in women? The correct option is C. Involution. Question number 6. How much does maternal blood volume increases during pregnancy? Correct option is C. 40 to 50%. Question number 7. What is the most common cause of maternal death in eclampsia? The correct option is D. Cerebral hemorrhage. Question number 8. What is the normal length of the umbilical cord? The correct option is C. 50 to 60 centimeter. Question number 9. Which is the most common cause of preterm labor? Correct option is A. Infection. Question number 10. Which is the most common cause of death in septic abortion? The correct option is B. Septic shock. Question number 11. Which is the most common fetal presentation in breech? The correct option is C. Frank breech. Question number 12. What is the normal volume of amniotic fluid at term? Correct option is B. 800 milliliter. Question number 13. Which is the first sign of puberty in females? The correct option is A. Thelarchy. Question number 14. Which uterine position is most common? The correct option is C. Anteverted. Question number 15. Which is the most common site of cervical cancer spread? The correct option is B. Parametrium. Question number 16. What is the most common site of ovarian torsion? The correct option is C. Right ovary. Question number 17. Which is the most common organism causing postpartum endometritis? The correct option is B. Anaerobes. Question number 18. Which is the most common site for metastatic breast spread of ovarian cancer? The correct option is D. Peritoneum. Question number 19. Which drug is first line for eclampsia prevention? The correct option is B. Magnesium sulfate. Question number 20. Which is the most common cause of maternal death due to anesthesia? The correct option is A. Aspiration. Question number 21. When does ovulation occur in a 28-day cycle? The correct option is D. 14th day. Question number 22. Which is the most common symptom of menopause? Correct option is B. Hard flashes. Question number 23. Which ligament supports the uterus laterally? The correct option is B. Broad ligament. Question number 24. What is the most common cause of infertility in women? The correct option is A. Polycystic ovary syndrome. Question number 25. Which is the most common site for ovarian cancer spread? The correct option is B. Peritoneum. Question number 26. Which is the most common cause of postpartum fever? The correct option is C. Endometritis. Question number 27. Which is the safest contraceptive for a woman with heart disease? The correct option is B. Barrier methods. Question number 28. Which hormone is highest in the luteal phase? Correct option is D. Progesterone. Question number 29. What is the normal blood loss during menstruation? The correct option is B. 30 to 40 milliliter. Question number 30. What is the most common type of pelvic organ prolapse? The correct option is A. Cystocele. Question number 31. What is the most common site of ectopic pregnancy? The correct option is B. Ampulla of the fallopian tube. Question number 32. What is the most common indication for cesarean section? The correct option is C. Previous cesarean history. Question number 33. Which tumor marker is used in ovarian cancer followed up? The correct option is B. CA125. Question number 34. What is the most common cause of infertility in men? Correct option is D. Low sperm count. Question number 35. What is the best method to detect fetal anomalies? The correct option is C. Ultrasound. Question number 36. Which is the most common benign tumor of the uterus? The correct option is B. Fibroid. Question number 37. What is the most common type of molar pregnancy? The correct option is B. Complete mole. Question number 38. Which is the most common type of uterine fibroid? The correct option is D. Intramural. Question number 39. Which hormone is responsible for secondary sexual characteristic in females? The correct option is A. Estrogen. Question number 50. Which is the earliest sign of pregnancy on ultrasound? Correct option is B. Gestational sex.